Our goal is really to make returns an asset instead of a liability for all the stakeholders involved. Evan and I were working together, spending a lot of time inside of warehouses. We asked about what's that weird corner over there? It was usually the return section. We dug into the problem space, just felt that there was a really compelling opportunity. The earliest of stages hiring strategy, which is find people who are talented and crazy enough to do something that's very risky with you. Right? There's a huge opportunity cost in startups for being slow. One of the things that slows you down the most is not having the right people in the right seats. That ROI decision of if we can find the right candidate, we can put them in a seat fast and they can start being productive for the business. That's actually worth a lot. What we really valued in working with a great agency like A-List is first and foremost understanding our business and understanding our culture. Find the right person who's going to be excited about our mission, fit into our culture, and have all the skill sets required to perform in that role. One of the things I think I've appreciated most about A-List, with a high level of respect, push us to be more clear and be more specific. That's what helped us be really successful. You spend a lot of time understanding the business, the culture. I think that was really important. The second is you live the value that we have at the company, which is maybe 1% better every day. I think that you do really well is iterate throughout the process. When working with A-List, like we're getting better as we go. It feels very bespoke and like you guys are really like in the trenches with us. You're working very closely with us. I'll give you guys a huge shout out. Like you do what needs to be done. For example, over the holidays, you helped us place a role getting on calls the day after Christmas. Not a lot of folks are willing to do that type of thing. And that was really impactful for us to keep the business moving forward. There is nothing that you can do without a great team. So getting hires, especially early stage hires that really set the tone for the business and the culture is extremely important. We've processed coming up on 200 million of returned inventory. We're actually live now in 5 countries. If you can build a great product and you can be partnerships focused and you can take a long run perspective on success for the company and for our clients, I think we can just keep getting bigger and keep solving bigger and bigger problems for our customers.